Today we're taking a look at the 30 piece of the microfiber plush towels. Let me show you these up close. I'm going to show you these in use as well. But you can see the nice microfiber material and the nice edging here, so they aren't going to fall apart. They're not going to scratch your car or damage it in any way. Super nice towels. You can use these not only to wash your car, but you can also wipe down your car. You can wipe down the inside and the outside. You can polish it, and you can even do the glass cleaning with these towels. They have really powerful water absorption. It is nice that it dries the surface instantly, so it saves you a lot of time and effort. And a lot of tests have been done with these towels. So it has been tested for the water absorption speed and does really well. And then also, it's not going to, leave scratches or anything like that with the seamless edges. And you can also use these inside if you wanted to clean your mirrors or any glass inside of your house, or anything else that you wanted to wipe down with the microfiber cloth. This would be perfect for that, or even cleaning up, spilled water because it is so absorbent. So these are really nice towels. I was compensated for this. I hope that helps.